Bestar continuous motion BFFS high-speed powder packing machine. Pack 100 grams, the speed 88 bags per minute, high accuracy, plus or minus 0.5 grams. The encoder for bag length detection to ensure bag length. The machine uses the vacuum belt to reduce belt slippage and ensure the exact length of the bag. The thermal transfer printer bracket is integrated with the machine. Double push rods for uniform sealing force, ensuring tight horizontal sealing. Vacuum pump use leak of South Korea. Air axle for quick and easy to change the roll film, quality stable. System is PC, the higher level than PLC. Motion control GMC system, USB-C EKHOFF Germany. Servo system, cylinder, electromagnetic valve use, Panasonic Japan. Temperature controller, solid state relay, mid-relay use Amrin Japan. Leakage switch, switching power supply, color-coded fiber use Schneider Germany.